Hello, um, hello, greetings everyone. Okay, let's start with our project itself. So for today, we're gonna be talking about the ABC company's proposed solution. Just show you. So this is the ABC Global Company's proposed solution, where we have to create VLANs, like different network groups. And establish a connection between the Sydney's branch and the Melbourne branch. Okay, let's start with the Melbourne side. So under the Melbourne's network, we're creating um, two different VLANs, where one group will be allocated for the IT side, and the other one we will be allocated for the SR side. So on the IT VLAN, I'll just show you here. We got the IT VLAN. So okay, so here you can see a set of the IT VLAN, and it has faster than network one. That this one's connected to the PC here. This PC. So yeah, and on the other switch we got the HR department's VLAN under VLAN 20. We named it HR, and it also has a fast Ethernet O1 cable which is connected to the other PC here, and also we've created Ether channels. So I'll just show here. So Ether channel summary here. Okay, see under here. So in the Ether channel summary, we've changed fast Ethernet port O 04 and O 05. We've merged them into one for port Ethernet O 01. So here it will be created under one. So this is done to, like, this will help with the connection have be more simultaneous, and it will also allocate more bandwidth to the overall company. While I am here, I'll also like to show you the interface trunk. uh, did I mention anything? Okay, let's let it be. And also, since two VLANs exist here, the IP's VLAN and the HR side, we've done it the using the sub interface. I'll just show you up here. Yeah. So what we did is we've broke down the Giga Ethernet 0/0 interface into two. So that's one is 0/0.10 and the other one is 0/0.20. And for the VLAN IT, for the IT VLAN, we're using this IP address. Like this IP address is our gateway, and for the VLAN 20, that is as a department's VLAN, we're using this as their gateway ID. We did this so the router could have inter VLAN routing. Okay, this in short, by doing this, we're able to establish a proper connection between the IT VLAN and the uh, which one was it? Yeah, the IT VLAN and the Melbourne the SR's VLAN. Okay, so that's for the Melbourne side. I'm gonna come back to it again. I'll just wait for this to turn up. Until then, I'm gonna talk about the Sydney side. Okay, So on the Sydney side router, we need to create two different network groups. One would be this, where the IP would be static, and the other one would be this, where the IP would be under DHCP protocol. So basically, this means whenever we join a new device, it will automatically provide a IP address for them. I'll just show you here and as an example. So okay, this is a new PC. Okay, I'm just gonna connect to it to the switch and to facilitate port 05. Okay, we're just gonna wait for this to turn up. Until then, I'm just gonna show you what I did here. Here. I don't have to go down much farther. So here we created a DHCP pool. We named it LAN2 for this connection, and we've set up the network 10.92.1.0 This, so basically what we did is whenever a new device is connected to the switch is gonna allocate a new router is gonna provide a new IP address for the device automatically. We don't have to do it manually. So what here we've also excluded two IP addresses. You can see here that 9.1.1 and .1.10. So this is done because this will be allocated for the static server, for the static network. The main reason we're doing this is that we won't be having IP duplication problem, because this is gonna make like create problems down the lane. So this is already allocated to the static devices, so we're just gonna exclude this. So whenever the DHCP pool allocates IP to a new device, they will gonna they will exclude these IPs because these are already allocated. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the example here. That's our newly connected device. We're gonna go to the desktop. So it's set up for the static. It's gonna go to DHCP and it's requesting for, and there you go. And there's the new static, the new IP address allocated. That's gonna be done automatically. Just gonna show you on here. Okay, on this. Okay, let's just go to the PC here. Here, as I said, like we have allocated static IP. Okay, this is our static IP address. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, 10.9.02.01. Okay, I'm gonna go for DHCP. I'm gonna check if it's gonna apply a new IP address. See, it fails because we've set it this network to be only to be static. So we're gonna have to assign it manually. Sorry about that. 5.5.5.5.0 and our gateway is 92.0. Okay, so we've done most of the things. I'm just gonna show you now. We're gonna go back to ACL. So basically the company wants the IT department to be able to access the server, but they don't want the people from HR department employees to be able to connect to the server. At the moment I have already set up ACL. I'm just gonna remove it to show you. Okay, okay, no access, this one again. So okay, I've removed the ACL. Now at the moment the PC from the HR department should be able to ping the server PT. Okay, it's gonna show you the result. Ping dot 10.9 10.92.0. It is our server IP is ping. IP address. As you can see, we're able to ping. I'm also going to show you from the IT department's PC. Okay, should be able to ping it 10.92.0.3. As you can see, we're still able to ping it. Okay, we still have connection to the server, and sorry, not here. Okay, now we're gonna apply the ACL here. Okay, let's just paste it. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we have set the ACL. Just gonna save the settings. Okay, now we shouldn't be able to ping it. Now for the example, I'll just show you here. Okay, to here. Okay, we're gonna run a simulation. Okay, as you can see, it's able to reach the Melbourne switch. Should also be able to reach the Melbourne router. Okay, there you go. And it kills the packet here because we set up the ACLs here. Okay, I'm also gonna run another simulation from here. Okay, and to the server. Should be able to ping it. Just gonna delete these. Okay. Oh, sorry, I think I deleted the wrong one. Okay, here. So from the IT side to the server PD. Okay. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it's up to here. Okay, the ACL reads it. Since it's from this network, we are able to reach this server. We just like blocked this packet, the packets from here to reach to this server. That's what the ACL does. It's going on until in that time I'm just gonna talk about the RIPs. Okay, here. So run config. Just gonna show you the routing protocol setup here. As you can see, routing protocol. I've done this on all of the three routers. Okay, the main reason we're doing this is because the company wants inter-branch connectivity without manually adding every route. You know, so this is gonna help you learn. Uh, it will help you dynamically learn the routes from each routers. By that what I mean is like this Melbourne router is able to run the Sydney routers pathways to to other devices connected to it. This is going to be learned by this router and eventually by this as well. When I send a packet from the HR department or from the IT department, let's say I'll send it to the PCs connected on the DHCP server. We are able to, okay, I'll just kill this one for now. Sorry. When I send a packet from this side to this side, the routing, the RIP I did, and the RIP I set up will help you learn the route so that you won't have to learn it, like one by one, or you don't have to set it up one by one. The this can, like this will ensure the pieces in Sydney or in Melbourne can, like reach each other, vice versa, if allowed by ACL. As I said, like where I have set ACL here, this PC is not able to ping to the server. So whatever is allowed, we will be able to learn it through. That's pretty much it for the video. We talked about everything. So there we got our VLANs. There's two VLANs working here, like simultaneously with the help of sub interfacing. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you something. So you can see here the G0/0.10 has the IP address that's allocated, and on the 20 that's allocated, that's the gateway IP addresses for the PCs in IT VLAN and PCs in the HR VLAN. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I believe we should be done here for today. Thank you.